guys, what is up today? We are gonna unbox this wonderful DJI, and yes, I am actually affiliated with DJI within the DJI affiliated. Yes, so I'm gonna unbox this from the wonderful DJI SPARK, and it comes with some filters. Well, it doesn't come with filters, but the ND4 PL SPARK Edition Cinema Series 6-pack filters. It's waiting right now, so I'm not gonna test it out today, but I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, so let's get started. I actually unboxed it last night, so to unstick all the stickies. So this is the SPARK Sunrise, and I went gold. I'm wearing a golden outfit on because I thought it's sunrise. I have to wear sunrise colors. So I am gonna do this unboxing of this DJI SPARK since I actually partnered with them in the affiliation program. Directions. And here's the directions. And anything else is in this box? Nothing else in the box? Nothing. Okay. Good. Anyway, it comes in your own little case. Wow, look at this lovely, nice. I can't smell because I have allergies. So, I'm pretending. Oh, it's so fresh. It smells fresh. Smells fresh. Yes, it is. So this is the DJI SPARK. So let's get this baby open. I actually opened this. So this is the charger. I have to plug it in, and I'm wondering if I have a plug. Do I have a plug over there? I don't. Oh, wonderful. This is the SPARK. Yes, here it is. I have some basic B-roll for you guys with the SPARK. So this is it. This is the charger. Oh, crap. And this is where the SD cards go. And this is the charger cord. I don't know why I have my knife here. And these are extra propellers. And this is the wonderful webcam of DJI SPARK. Look at this. I am in heaven. I am in heaven. It even matches my outfit. It even matches my outfit. Oh, I'm so glad it partnered with DJI because it saves me a lot of money. It saves me a lot of money. Okay, so this is the DJI SPARK. DJI SPARK is, you could actually handheld with this. I'm not gonna push any buttons because my luck, if I do that, remember the last time I did a drone unboxing? I pushed a button and then it almost attacked me. I'm not gonna push any buttons because my luck, it probably will attack me with these propellers sticking all over the place. Exactly, and it might stick all over the place, so that'll be my luck. So this is the charger cord, which goes in here. Okay, it's a USB-C. Thank you, USB-C. USB-C is the future. Directions, and here are the filters. I'm gonna box this right here. You can actually control it with the DJI SPARK. You can actually control it with your hands and your eyes and all your body parts. So basically, you can actually control it with you. Basically, you control the drone. But for me, I would rather control it with a remote. So it'll be easier. Especially if you're a beginner, I recommend using the remote first before you control it with your hands or your lift up or this and then fly, you know, or waving, or anything like that. So this is what the DJI SPARK is all about. It even matches my outfit. Look at this. It matches my outfit. Yes, and I'm gonna unbox these filters. Got my knife. What is nice being in the affiliation partnership program. You don't have to pay that much. I will have an affiliation link in the description with this DJI, where you can go and you can check it out. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. You use a special code, and you can actually get it discounted off. Okay, when you come to me. When you come into my channel and watch my video and click on that link, you can actually, I will give you a custom, I think it's a custom link, I think. I believe it's a link, because I've sponsored so much stuff, I'm like, I can't deep up. Hashtag ad. Hashtag paid sponsored. Too, but it's not a tattoo, it's a sticker. Because it's a cool, that's cool. Okay, anyway, that is pretty much it. I unboxed the, is there anything else? Okay, there's nothing else to unbox. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below, and I will have a link to a sponsored link below to check this drone out, since it is a paid sponsored by DJI. Alright, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me all over the internet at Stephanie's Live.